Hello and welcome to another video. This video I'm going to be talking about two of my favourite cases. There are amongst others, but these seem to be my go-to ones normally, especially the Ringke one. These are for the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, and as anybody that's got one of these phones will realise, it's quite a slippery device. So a case is something that's worth getting, and a good looking case will help to show off the actual beautiful design of this thing. I particularly like the colour of this one, absolutely stunning. But let's just pop that to one side. Let's get these cases out. This is one of my probably favourite hard wearing case. It seems to resist scratches and that sort of thing quite well, so can't wait to get it out and try it on. So the packet, go over there. You've got your alright, you've got to remove the film, a little bit of information, and just some extra sort of products they do. Right, so this is the case. So let me take the film off of this thing. Right, so this is one of the reasons I really like this case. It's a perfectly clear back on it. It's a hard polycarbonate back. The sides are pretty rigid as well. You've got your button for the power button. Obviously there's no other buttons because it's got virtual volume buttons, but all enclosed down the bottom end and all enclosed at the top. So there's good grip from this thing. Let's get the phone in. Whack that on. So as you can see, it's perfectly clear. Really shows off the colour of the phone. Absolutely stunning. And because it's a hard wearing case, it's going to help make it stay looking like that. The actual bottoms, as you can see on the corners, they've got raised edges there. So it's not actually sitting on the surface, the whole back. It's just, when you put it down, it's just sitting on these little points on the back. The camera is recessed in there, so it's extra protection for that. You've got a nice black ring around it, which apart from helping it look good, it's going to help stop reflections, and some nice raised edges over the screen area. The actual sides, so for the volume, you can still get to the volume buttons, sort of left and right, nice and easily. And you can get to the edges. It doesn't really interfere with the edges of the screen either. Really good case, this one. So that's the Ringke one quickly. Let's get the Spigen one out. Right. Okay. This one's also got film over it. This one's completely clear. Let me get the film off quickly and I'll show you it properly. Right, so as you can see with this one, perfectly clear all round. It's quite a solid case actually. It's a thick polycarbonate back on it. It's a bit more minimalist compared to the Ringke one, but obviously it's going to show an awful lot more of the actual device itself. Let's get the dust off of the phone. Right, let's pop this one in. Now, as you can see on this one, the power button's more is exposed on this one. Compared to the Ringke one comes round the screen slightly more, whereas this one is completely open on the sides. Virtually, just got a little bit over the frame. There's some raised edges on the actual screen, so you can lay it down on the table. It's all flat on the back, so this one you have to be a little bit more careful. I don't know how it will hold up, but as you can see, it really displays the colour of this device. A little bit of Spigen branding there. Bit of a recess for the cameras at the back. Helps protect those. Doesn't feel bad in the hand actually. I thought it adds a look. There's a bit of grip. It's only going to be so much because there's virtually nothing on the sides really. Obviously, I'll have no problems with the sides of the actual screen to adjust the volume or anything like that. Camera, no problem with the virtual shutter button on there either. It's a really nice case, this one. This is why you can see this is one of my favourite cases, because it absolutely just shows the colour of the phone off. It's stunning. Yeah. How it will hold up long term, not entirely sure. These harder cases tend to be a little bit better than the softer TPU ones, where they go all yellow really quickly. But this one, I think it would do alright. So I've just noticed on the insides, the camera probably won't be able to pick up, but right on the inside edges, a bit of a dot matrix. You just hear it. So that'll obviously, I'm assuming because the actual back doesn't stick to the surface, there's a bit of a gap, but obviously to stop the rainbow and whatnot effects around the edges, got a dot matrix just around the edges, just to help keep it looking good. I like this one. That's the Ringke Fusion X and the Spigen Ultra Hybrid. Both really good cases. I personally like those. I'll leave the links down in the description as to where I got them from. The usual place off Amazon. But yeah, I recommend these ones. These are some of my go-to cases, and they work and look really good on this device. I didn't get some of the other colours that are all black on the back because I wanted a couple of cases that I really liked to show off this colour, and I think these both do it. So that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment, so subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you know when my next video comes down. So anyway, that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.